Hey you guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm JAIDOESIT. If you'd like to see how I create this look, stay tuned. I'm going to start by filling in my brows with my eyebrow pomade by the Crayon Case in the shade Ebony. And I'm going to clean up my brows with my Maybelline Instant Age Rewind Concealer in the shade Hazelnut.
I was broke as hell, sleeping on the mattress. I felt like a hell when nobody had it. Hot shells jumping out, they send me automatic. Rated up by the condo, got a new edit. Now the VVs with a V-long jean jacket. They can see me even if you had 3D glasses. I had bitch in the bikini, she from Calabasas. Got a pocket full of blue cheese and some green relish. I'm a psycho for these hunters, got a cash fetish. I'm studying these hunters, I'm a mathematic. Getting this love make me wonder about my dedicated. This love got me get up, I don't need a hat. Straight goals, let these niggas know we already. Spend some calls on my bitches, we ain't ball capping. Alien feel like I'm living on my own planet. On a spaceship, now I'm a space cadet. Big white mansion in my habitat. Ain't a lot of stage like a laser tag. Fuck a rich bitch, having rich sex. Smoke a lot of trees, need a weed plant. This tickle lean where the lean at. Sleeping on these G's is a beanbag. Got me going jeans, cause I'm cool right. Shit that shoes overseas, they was pan leather. Shopping Tokyo, Japan, they the best of it. Blue bear t-shirt, sleeve vanilla. Hot top, turn the vert, riding anywhere. Ain't gotta bend down, this ain't a pearl pallet. Man, we spend it down, copping Gucci sweaters. Said the dripping niggas drowning, I cannot help it. We was booming out of guys, we are not the devil. Got Colombia ties out of Mexico. Spent the best 100 times, still smell dope. Got some pimp, feel applying, feel like Velcro. A bitch buying it like shopping on Rodeo. I be if you don't want copy, this a day, yo. Ain't stingy, my bro gonna get a payroll. I just want the pretty women in their pesos. I can only hit an engine in this Lambo. On a spaceship, now I'm a space cadet. Big white mansion in my habitat. Ain't a lot of stage like a laser tag. Fuck a rich bitch, having rich sex. Smoke a lot of trees, need a weed.
To prime my eyelids, I'm going to be using my NYX concealer in the shade Alabaster.
Got me going jeans, cause I'm cool right. On a spaceship, now I'm a space cadet. Big white mansion in my habitat. Ain't a lot of stage like a laser tag. Fuck a rich bitch, having rich sex. Smoke a lot of trees, need a weed plant. This tickle lean where the lean at. Sleeping on these G's is a beanbag. Got me going jeans, cause I'm cool right.
The first shade that we're going to use is from my Morphe 3502 palette in the shade Toast, and that's going to be my crease color. The next shade I'm going to use is going to be from my Zuri palette by Zanzi Beauty Cosmetics, and it's the shade Berry Bay.
Metro bought 2 potatoes. Boom. Is it dripping? Got these nigga wet. We on the Illuminati way.
I'm going to use the shade Coral Queen to blend out Berry Bay with a fluffy blending brush.
On the spaceship, now I'm a space cadet. Big white mansion in my habitat. Ain't a lot of stage like a laser tag.
I'm now going back in with the shade Toast to deepen up the crease area again.
This tickle lean where the lean at. Sleeping on these G's is a beanbag. Got me going jeans, cause I'm cool right. Checking from my fan life is fantastic. I was broke as hell, sleeping on the mattress.
I am now going to cut my crease with my eye glue stick primer by the Crayon Case.
Up by the condo, got a new edit. Now the VVs with a V-long jean jacket. They can see me even if you had 3D glasses. I had bitch in the bikini, she from Calabasas. Got a pocket full of blue cheese and some green relish. I'm a psycho for these hunters, got a cash.
For my lid, I'm going to use the shade Nubian Gold from the Zuri palette.
Dedicated. This love got me get up, I don't need a hat. Straight goals, let these niggas know we already. Spend some calls on my bitches, we ain't ball capping. Alien feel like I'm living on my own planet. On a spaceship now.
Taking the shade Pure from the 3502 palette, and I'm going to apply that in my tear ducts.
Rich bitch, having rich sex. Smoke a lot of trees, need a weed plant. This tickle lean where the
I'm going to give myself a wings liner.
got me going jeans, cause I'm cool right. Shit that shoes overseas, they was pan leather. Shopping Tokyo, Japan, they the best of it. Blue bear t-shirt, sleeve vanilla. Hot top, turn the vert, riding anywhere. Ain't gotta bend down, this ain't a pearl palette.
I'm now going to go in with the Crayon Case liquid lipstick in the shade We Dat, and I'm going to put that on top of my black eyeliner.
Got Colombia ties out of Mexico. Spent the best 100 times, still smell dope. Got some pimp, feel applying, feel like Velcro. A bitch buying it like shopping on Rodeo. I be if you don't want copy, this a day, yo. Ain't stingy, my bro gonna get a payroll. I just want the pretty
Now I'm going to clean up any fallout under my eyes and then moisturize my skin with my Nivea skin moisturizer, and then prime my skin also with my Milk Makeup Blur Stick primer. I'm going to set my primer with my RCMA No Color Powder. The liquid cream foundation I'm going to be using today is in the shade Holy Grail by Zanzi Beauty Cosmetics. I'm going to be using the same concealer I used to clean under my brows to highlight my face. To contour, I'm going to be using my EBIN 24-Hour Matte Lipstick in the shade Brown Girl. To blend out the highlighted areas, I'm going to be using my Power Blender by Pract. I'm going to be using my Contourization Notebook by the Crayon Case to set those highlighted areas. I'm going to use the shade Ross. I'm going to be setting my contour with an eyeshadow from Juvia's Place Nubian 2 palette, the shade Kenya. Now I'm going to go back in and seal everything with my RCMA powder. I'm using the reverse contour method with my Crayon Case Chalk Dust setting powder in the shade Y. I'm going to dust the remainder product with my Judy brush. For my blush, I'm going to use the shade Tangerine from the Watch Me blush palette. I'm going to set everything with my Soft Focus finishing powder by Black Radiance in the shade Milk Chocolate. And I'm going to soak my whole face with my Mario Badescu Rosewater. My first highlighter that I'm going to use is Old Faithful. It's LA Colors Powder Blush in the shade Baked. You can find this at your Dollar Tree for just $1. I'm going to go on top of that highlight with Anglola by the Crayon Case. I'm going to be lining my lips with my NIGHTMOTH lip liner by MAC Cosmetics. The first lip product I'm applying is the shade Never So Nude by Zanzi Beauty Cosmetics. It's a matte lipstick. Am I the only one that struggles with getting product on the bottom of my chin like this? The next shade I'm applying is also by Zanzi Beauty Cosmetics, and this is in the shade Boss Brown, which is also a matte lipstick. I'm going to pair this with my Coffee Lip Liner by Nicka K. And that is the finished look. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Bye.